Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Press Win plus R, type WinVer, and read the version line. If you see Windows 10 or 11, proceed. Once done, make sure an administrator account is available, because elevation will be required. Also, open Settings, go to Update, and install any pending Windows updates. This avoids missing components. Now you're ready to open PowerShell quickly. Move to the next step to choose the fastest, built-in method without extra downloads. You can open PowerShell immediately from the Start menu. Type PowerShell, then right-click and choose Run as administrator for full access. Alternatively, press Win plus X to open the Power User menu and select Windows PowerShell or Windows Terminal. If you prefer cross-platform PowerShell core, launch Windows Terminal and pick PowerShell from the drop-down. Once the shell appears, verify with the command $PS version table. PS version to confirm version. That tells you what features are available and whether an upgrade is needed. You finish by confirming execution policy and availability. Run Get Execution Policy. If it blocks scripts, use Set Execution Policy remote signed as administrator to allow local scripts. If you want the latest features, install PowerShell 7 from Microsoft Store or the MSI. That gives side-by-side with Windows PowerShell. If you see access denied, stop and rerun the shell as administrator, and make sure group policy isn't restricting changes. One key tip: if commands fail, check your AV or corporate policy before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.